Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the confusing language of corporate filings. Today we're looking at Century Therapeutics Incorporated's latest report, and let me tell you, it has got some interesting tidbits about their future plans before we dive in. If you are someone who wants to cut through the corporate jargon and understand what is really going on with companies, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for a deeper dive and to chat with our community about these filings, join our Discord server, linked in the description below. Alright, let's get straight to the point. This report comes to us on the 12th of January 2026, and it is all about an update to some information they've put out. Think of it like a company giving you a little heads up about something new they're sharing with investors. The main event here is what they call a Regulation FD disclosure. What that means in plain English is they're sharing some important non-public information with everyone at the same time. They're not trying to give a leg up to just a few people. So what is this information? It is an updated presentation that they're now making public, and they'll be using it when they chat with investors. It's basically a status update, giving folks a look at where the company stands and what they're working on. Now, let's talk about what makes this company tick. They have common stock with a par value of just a tiny fraction of a cent. This is pretty standard for many companies, and you can find their stock trading on the Nasdaq Capital Market. This is a well-known exchange for growing companies, so it tells us they are publicly traded and available for you to invest in if you choose. Here is a key detail. They are identifying themselves as an emerging growth company. This means they likely benefit from some relaxed regulations that are designed to help newer companies get off the ground. They've also elected for a shorter transition period to adopt new accounting standards, which suggests a preference for moving forward with established practices, rather than waiting for newer ones. The filing also points to some exhibits. These are the supplementary documents that provide the details. The most important one here is Exhibit 99.1, which is that investor presentation we mentioned earlier, dated the 12th of January 2026. This is where the real meat of the update is. While this specific filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables itself, it is directing us to that investor presentation for the latest numbers and strategizing. Think of this 8K filing as the announcement that the updated information is ready, and the investor presentation is the actual updated information. My take on this filing is that it is less about revealing new groundbreaking financial results in this immediate document, and more about transparency in how they're communicating with their investors. They're updating their story. Essentially, the fact that they're using a presentation and will be talking with investors suggests they have something important to share about their progress, strategy, or perhaps upcoming milestones. As an emerging growth company, they're in a phase where consistent communication and updating stakeholders is crucial for building confidence and attracting further investment. The key takeaway is to look at that accompanying investor presentation for the real substance. Without it, this filing is just a confirmation that an update has been provided. The lack of detailed financial tables here signifies that the critical financial figures and strategic discussions are happening within that attached presentation. It is a signal that the company wants to ensure everyone interested is on the same page with the latest information they're conveying to the market. So, what is your initial impression of Century Therapeutics Incorporated based on this announcement? Are you curious to see what is in that investor presentation? Let me know in the comments below if you found this quick decode helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward explanations of corporate documents. Don't forget to join our Discord community for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next decode.